Here's question 4 on the higher non-calculator paper. Reading the question, it says, Alison wants to find out how much time people spend reading books. She's going to use a questionnaire. Design a suitable questionnaire to use, so decide a suitable question to use for her questionnaire. Now, even though this says question, I need to design the question and the tick boxes for this as well. So Alison wants to find out how much time people spend reading books. So the question is going to be, how much time, and I need to put a time frame, in a week do you spend reading books? So because of this, the time frame being in a week, you could have used day, month, year, but whatever it is, use a bit of common sense, and I've just put week. Yep, that is essential in the question. And now I need to put some option boxes. Now you need to have at least three option boxes that are not overlapping. So I'm going to put 0 to 2 hours, and then I'm going to put 3 to 5 hours, and then I'm going to put 6 to 8 hours, and then I'm going to change that to more than 8 hours. Okay. Now I'm just looking back at my question. How much time in a week do you spend reading books? I'm going to change the word time, because as I was putting this in, I noticed I put 0 to 2 hours, 3 to 5 hours. So I'm going to put how much time in hours in a week do you spend reading. I could change that to say how many hours in a week do you spend reading books, right? So all of those pretty straightforward, but make sure you're a bit more specific than I was over here. So I'll put how much time in hours, right, in a week do you spend reading books, or you could rephrase it to how many hours in a week do you spend reading books. These option boxes here, notice that they're not overlapping, so there's 0 to 2, 3 to 5, 6 to 8, and leaving them as just a dash, that is adequate. The examiner's mark scheme indicates that that's okay to do, and you'll get full marks, you'll get full 2 marks for this if you do what I've shown here. Make sure you do get it. This is a pretty straightforward question.